The jury in the Sean Diddy Combs sex trafficking and racketeering trial heard from one of his former romantic rivals yesterday. Rapper Kid Cudi testified under his birth name, Scott Mescudi. Combs has pleaded not guilty to the federal charges. Our national correspondent Jericka Duncan is covering the trial. Jericka, good morning.
Good morning to you, Nate. Kid Cudi said he and singer Cassie Ventura dated briefly in 2011. At the time, he thought she was no longer romantically involved with Combs.
What are you expecting today?
Rapper Kid Cudi ignored cameras as he walked into federal court Thursday.
Kid Cudi, this way!
The Grammy Award-winning artist described his brief relationship with Cassie Ventura as one filled with drama and fear. The rapper alleged that when Sean Combs found out about his relationship with Ventura, Combs broke into his Los Angeles home. Cudi told the court that he called Combs asking if Combs was in his house and that Combs told him, quote, "I'm over here waiting for you." Cudi said he did not find anyone in his home and called police. These pictures show Cudi's Porsche damaged by a fire shortly after the alleged break-in. He testified he filed a police report and that law enforcement found a Molotov cocktail in the driver's seat. No one was ever arrested for the arson.
It's important for the prosecution to prove an arson took place because it is part of the racketeering conspiracy. And so they are going to have to convince this jury that Sean Combs either himself or orchestrated behind the scenes this car bombing of Kid Cudi's. I don't think they got there beyond a reasonable doubt.
On cross-examination, defense attorney Brian Steele emphasized the lack of any evidence linking Combs to the car fire and also tried to paint Ventura as a cheating girlfriend.
Kid Cudi agreed with the defense as a characterization that Cassie had played both of them, Sean Combs and Kid Cudi, because she was simultaneously carrying on a relationship with both of them and the other didn't know.
Yesterday, the jury heard from several other witnesses, including Combs' former executive assistant, George Kaplan, who was granted immunity. He said he left the company after experiencing Combs being violent toward Ventura and another woman Combs was dating. But he praised Combs several times and told the jury he desperately did not want to testify and was only there because of a subpoena.